Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the MUSETEX ATX PC Case Y6, a pure white mid-tower case that offers a stunning visual experience for your gaming setup. With 5 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, this case provides excellent heat dissipation and a beautiful aesthetic. The 270 fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels give you a wider field of view, allowing you to display your high-end PC hardware and collectibles for all to see. The internal layout of the case is organized and spacious, allowing for easy installation of your favorite hardware. MUSETEX has designed this case to be compatible with a wide range of hardware, supporting GPUs up to 400mm, large liquid coolers, and high-end power supplies. The Y6 case also features high-speed I/O expansion interfaces and customizable ARGB lighting, providing you with a higher transmission rate and a cool and colorful gaming environment. Not only does this case look great, but it also offers practical and ornamental coexistence with a rectangular structure that doesn't take up extra space on your desktop. The highly translucent tempered glass panels transmit light naturally and provide a great sense of texture. But the features don't stop there. MUSETEX has included innovative air duct design, side panel openings, and magnetic dust filters to keep your components cool and clean. And if you're worried about any potential issues with your case, MUSETEX offers great customer support to provide you with peace of mind. So if you're looking for a high-quality, visually stunning PC case for your gaming setup, look no further than the MUSETEX ATX PC Case Y6. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today.